Sandy.
And I'm Mandy.
Together we are just like Sunday and Monday.
We are here to bring you trending issues in and out of Ghana.
Gossips,
Entertainment,
sports,
and many more.
we take opinions and reactions from all walks of life, like bankers,
Lawyers,
teachers,
students,
market women,
and so more.
Watch Trending Matters this and every Wednesdays at
6:30 p.m. on WeBe TV.
Stay tuned for more. Lion me.
True.